Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide 4. In today's video I am comparing two smartphones, Oppo Find 7 and LG G3. LG G3 features 5.5-inch Quad HD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, while the Oppo Find 7 features 5.5-inch Quad HD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. The resolutions and on both the devices are same. The one thing you note that both the devices come with Quad HD display. And the Oppo Find 7 is powered by 2.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor, while the LG G3 is powered by 2.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor. Both the devices are powered by the same processor. While using the devices on a regular usage, you can easily find that there is no lag, but if you are a heavy user and multitask user, you can find a little bit lag on both the devices. Oppo Find 7 comes with Android 4.3 Jelly Bean with Color OS 1.2 UI on top of it, whereas the LG G3 comes with Android 4.4.2 KitKat with Optimus UI on top of it. Clearly the LG G3 has a better advantage when the operating system is concerned, as it runs on latest version of Android KitKat, whereas the Oppo Find 7 runs on outdated version of Android 4.3 Jelly Bean. The Oppo Find 7 has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory. The other variant is Oppo Find 7 which has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory, whereas the LG G3 has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory, and the other variant is 3 GB RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory. With me, I am having on Oppo Find 7, it's 3 GB RAM and 32 GB inbuilt memory. Out of 32 GB inbuilt memory, only 23.28 GB is available for users, as 5.63 GB of memory is occupied by a system, and storage of app application of 2.95 GB is available, out of which 321 MB is already used. And total storage occupied by each file is of 151 MB, which includes images, audio and other things. While on the LG G3, the storage is of 16 GB, out of which only 7.31 GB is available for users, and 1.25 GB is occupied by space, 1.92 GB is occupied by pictures and videos, and miscellaneous 5.05 GB is occupied. And it includes system data, WhatsApp, ThinkFace, Swarm, Quick Setup, LG Backup, Download, My Documents and Preload. Talking about the camera quality on both the smartphone, Oppo Find 7 features 5 megapixel front camera, whereas the LG G3 features 2.1 megapixel front camera. Clearly, if you are taking a selfie, then Oppo Find 7 wins the race when it comes to camera quality on for taking the selfie, as it features high number of megapixels, but it's on the software that outputs the images. At the back, Oppo Find 7 features 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash, and the rear camera is capable of recording 4K video, whereas the rear camera on LG G3 features 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash, and it has laser autofocus and optical image stabilization technology. The camera quality on both the devices pretty nice, and you can easily compare it with. All I can say that on camera front, both the device don't let you down. Oppo Find 7 is a bit heavier when compared with LG G3, as Oppo Find 7 weighs 173 grams while the LG G3 weighs only 149 grams. Oppo Find 7 packs 3000 mAh battery, whereas the battery is powered by Whoop fast charging technology, and if you are on a short period of time, then you can charge it in around 30 minutes. Whereas the battery life on LG G3 is not pretty good. It is powered by 3000. The battery capacity on LG G3 is of 3000 mAh, and after using it more than 10 days, all I can say, the battery life on LG G3 is pathetic. It is one of the worst device when it comes to battery life. And if you use it on normal uses, then the battery life is not too good, as it lasts for 6 to 8 hours only. Talking about the build quality of both the smartphone is pretty good, and they are nicely built. On the front of Oppo Find 7 features 5.5-inch Quad HD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, 5 megapixel camera with sensor, navigation button. It has LED capacitive buttons, whereas the LG G3 features 5.5-inch Quad HD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, 2.1 megapixel front camera with a sensor, earpiece on both the device. Navigation button sits below the display on LG G3 with LG logo or branding at the below the display. On the back of the side, both the device has 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash. On the LG G3, it has LED indicator. On Oppo, it's Oppo branding and speaker at the back. On LG G3, it's LG branding and speaker at the back. Removing the back panel of the LG G3 reveals the micro SIM card slot, micro SD card slot, and 3000 mAh battery. Whereas on the Oppo Find 7, removing the back panel reveals the micro SIM card slot and micro SD card slot, and the 3000 mAh battery, which is powered by Whoop technology. Both the back panels are made up of plastic, but it is not a cheap plastic, as you can see on Samsung devices. There are no physical buttons on the LG G3. Only physical buttons available at the back, whereas on the Oppo Find 7 there is a volume up button on the right hand side and power key on the left hand side. At the bottom, it has 3 micro USB slot for charging and microphone. On LG G3, it has micro USB slot and 3.5 mm audio jack and microphone at the bottom. On the top, on Oppo Find 7, there is a 3.5 mm audio jack, while on LG G3 there is a microphone and a sensor. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. This is your host Vivek signing off.